It's great to be here with you today. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the egg-laying block making machine QMZ2-45. QMZ2-45 can produce different hollow block and solid block by changing the mold. Generally, we equip the block machine with two single-phase electric vibrators. The power of per vibrator is 0.75 kW. However, if electricity is unavailable for you, we also can use the diesel engine to substitute the electric vibrator. QMZ2-45 is a small-sized concrete block making machine. It is very easy to operate. All the operations are concentrated to one reversing switch. You can get the operation skill within 5 minutes. The machine is equipped with 4 wheels. It can lay the blocks on the floor directly, so you don't need to prepare pallets. And adding its lightweight, you can transportation the block machine from one construction site to another conveniently. QMZ2-45 is an ideal choice for personal use or for trying the market. That's from me. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications getting the newest video. For more information, please visit www.junctionmachinery.com.